More than likely, you're in the dark right now, so let's get your headlights turned on. Go to the tip of this left lever and cycle this arrow all the way up to the top. And guess what? Your headlights are turned on and it's indicated by the green icons in your instrument cluster. So if this helped you, help us get to 1,000 subscribers by hitting that subscribe button. Now you have other options for headlight controls. If you bring this arrow down to auto, and now I'm in auto mode, this automatically operates your headlights based on how much light is outside your vehicle. Right now, the headlights are not turned on because it's daylight, okay? Now, if you bring this arrow up one more time, you have your parking lights turned on. And one more time after that, we're back to where we started, turning our headlights on manually, okay? Now, in regards to high beams, you have two different options. My favorite is bringing the left lever towards you and holding it to keep the high beams on. As you can see, the blue icon is on, the high beams are on, and I'm still holding it. Then I let it go to return back to the regular headlights. That's helpful for when you're dealing with incoming traffic and you need to hurry up and have those high beams off in order to not blind them. If you want to just drive with your high beams on, push the lever away from you, and there you go, it's on. I'm not touching it. And when you want to turn it off, just bring it back towards you and your high beams are off. That's it. That's all. And if this video helps you, make sure you leave a like. Consider subscribing to help us get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you on the next one.